Hello, we're going to talk about copyrights and creative credits today. Copyright is a form of protection given to authors and creators for their work. This law is to help the owners from people trying to steal their work. This is known as plagiarism. With the copyright law, authors are the only ones who are able to make copies of their work, distribute them, display, or perform them publicly, and can only be the ones to receive payment for what they have created. Copyrights can protect physical forms such as papers, books, films, recorded music, poetry, drawings, photographs, data, and many more. Copyright laws, however, cannot protect from someone's ideas. Creative credit is when the owners of their work give permission for everyone to use it without everyone having to ask for consent first. Although the authors give you the right to use it, it is still very important for you to make sure to acknowledge the author, to give them credit for what they have created. And it is also very important for you to make sure not to profit off of what you are using from them. So it is important not to copyright or to steal people's work. I hope you guys learned more about copyright laws and creative credits. Thank you.